Hey guys, I'm Nika, and I am a home baker. Grabe, can you believe it? September na agad-agad. Parang feeling ko sobrang bilis ng takbo ng 2020, di ba? Actually, so far, wala pa akong mga travel vlogs sa akin channel. Magkakaroon tayo ng travel vlogs soon. Hindi ko muna pinush through yung mga vlogs na yun kasi ayokong i-risk na alam mo yung ayoko i-risk yung safety ko tsaka yung safety ng family ko by traveling. Kahit na may some parts naman dito na pwedeng bisitain or pwedeng mag-trip, ganun. Pero ayoko lang siyang i-risk. Also, simula kasi nung simula nung March, nasa bahay lang talaga ako. Kayo din, stay safe and stay at home lagi kung walang importanteng aasikasuhin. So, stay at home na lang para din sure and safe lagi. Actually, kanina nga, nag-muni-muni ako ganun. Tapos naisipan ko na grabe, sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-coffee shop. Namiss kong tumambay sa coffee shop. And then bigla ako nag-crave ng Revel Bars. Kaya yun yung naisipan ko na topic natin ngayon. Kasi sobrang, yun kasi yung go-to snack ko sa isang coffee shop, yung Revel Bars. Tapos naisipan ko na, since hindi naman makakaalis, diba? Since nasa bahay lang naman, so why not bake it? Kaya preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius and let's get baking.
In a bowl, we're going to combine our dry ingredients, rolled oats, flour, and baking soda. Then, using our stand mixer, we are going to cream together our butter and brown sugar. Now that our butter and sugar is light and fluffy, it's time to mix in our eggs and vanilla. We then slowly incorporate our dry ingredients to our butter mixture. Then, in a lined and lightly greased 9x9 baking tray, we are going to pat 2/3 of the oat mixture. We are going to save 1/3 of this for the top later. In a saucepan, we are going to add in our condensed milk, chocolate bar, or you can actually use chocolate chips, and butter. Then heat this together over low heat while continuously stirring until smooth and glossy. Once our chocolate mixture is done, we are then going to pour and evenly spread this on top of our oatmeal layer. Then just dot the remaining oat mixture on top. We will bake this for 30 to 35 minutes. Once baked, let this cool completely until it sets before slicing.
So, I've been dying to eat this kasi sobrang nagkikrave talaga ako. Kaya, tikman na natin. Craving satisfied. Sobrang na-miss ko. Sobrang nag-crave ako ng Revel Bars. Actually, this is a coffee shop version, kaya medyo chunkier siya. If you want, you can separate it. You can use the recipe and then separate it to two tins, or you could use a medyo larger baking dish. Depende na sa kung gaano yung kakapal gusto yung inyong Revel Bars. Okay, so let's talk about our Revel Bars. Yung rolled oats na ginamit natin, it actually gives a very nice texture when you bite into the Revel Bars. Talagang oatmeal na oatmeal talaga siya. And then, it's very chewy. At the same time, hindi ganun katamis ang ating Revel Bars because we use dark chocolate. You can actually use semi-sweet chocolate to milk chocolate. But I prefer dark chocolate kasi para sa akin, mas nababalance out niya yung sweetness ng ating sweetened condensed milk. Give this recipe a try! Actually, shoutout kay Vincent Edits kasi ni-request niya pala to dati sa previous videos ko. Nag-comment siya sa video ko, tapos sabi niya, Revel Bars please ate. So yun, ito na yung ating Revel Bars recipe. Kung may mga request pa kayo or may mga questions kayo, just drop them down sa ating comment section. Or you could actually reach me sa aking Facebook page. Pwede kayong mag-inquire doon or pwede kayong mag-message doon. I included the link na aking Facebook account sa description box kasama ng aking other social media links. So give this recipe and give this video some love by liking and subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell na din para updated kayo lagi. Kita-kita na naman po tayo next week. Ingat kayo palagi. Happy baking!